For some reason my average fuel consumption, range, and odometer disappeared. If you have the same problem, this video is for you. I'm about to show you how to fix this problem. My car is a 2012 Honda Civic Coupe 9th generation. This video will work for you if your car is a Honda Civic Coupe or sedan from 2012 to 2015. I'm not sure if this works if your car is a 2012 or older model or 2016 and newer. You can give it a try, it doesn't hurt to try it. The problem started about a month ago. My odometer started to blink. 2 days later, the average fuel consumption and range started to do the same. I didn't pay that much attention to it because it was not a big deal. It used to blink for like 10 minutes, after that it will stop blinking and stay on. One day I was driving and suddenly the numbers disappeared. I tried to change the display mode but they didn't come back on. The average fuel consumption, range, and odometer were gone. For this problem you have two possible solutions. The first solution, and the one that worked for me, is to check a fuse under the hood. Remove the cover of the fuse box and look for the fuse number 29. This one. It is the last fuse in the box. I already removed it. This is a 10 amp fuse. As you can see, this one doesn't look good. The legs look burnt, but the center connector seems to be in good condition. I am in the middle of nowhere right now and I can't just go buy a new one, so I'm going to try to save it. I used a flathead screwdriver to scratch the legs and clean them as much as I could. It is not perfect, but it looks way better. Now let's put it back to test it. Moment of the truth. Nice, it worked. The odometer and everything else is now working. I just need to adjust the clock and drive a few miles for the average fuel consumption to reset and display the MPG. I will buy a new fuse as soon as I have the chance. The second possible solution for this problem is to disconnect the battery for like 50 seconds, then reconnect it. But I believe the fuse is the source of the problem 98% of the time. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like button and share.